What time is it? It's time to turn this small clock into a huge wall clock. We will be using shelf liner. Welcome back, and if this is your first time here, we're so excited you decided to join us. Now will be a good time for you to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Start by spraying part of the shelf liner silver. It took about an hour to dry with 1 coat of silver spray. Now we're going to glue the shelf liner onto the foam board. Apply silver glitter on top of the liner. Leave the glue to fully dry. It's fully dried. Now we're going to use a hula hoop. We found the opening, and now we're going to get rid of all the beads that's inside of it. Cut the hoop shorter so it can fit the foam board. Use the same piece inside to connect the two. Then at the end, add some hot glue. Cover the hoop with ribbon. Fold in and glue the other side. Glue the hoop onto the board, like this. Cut out the excess foam board. This is how it looks. We're going to use this mesh tube to cover the foam board. Now we're going to add more sparkles. After applying the glue, apply the glitter. We did not have enough of this glitter, so we went in with the smaller glitter off camera and we applied it on top of the foam as well as on top of the hoop. Now leave it to fully dry. We use a measuring tape to get the center. It's about right here. Make a small hole in the center. We found this clock on sales at Walmart and we're going to try taking it apart so we can use the inside for this clock. Now disassemble the pieces. The paper in the clock was stuck. However, we got it out and we're going to use this piece as a measurement for our numbers. Place the paper at the center. These numbers, we made them from resin using a silicone mold. Now we're going to make sure the numbers are lined up properly before gluing them down. Now glue the numbers down. Now let's see if this works. We're going to attach this piece at the back of the clock. Unfortunately, the second hand broke during the process. It's supposed to go at the top. However, if you look closely, you will see that the clock is actually working without this piece. We're not going to discard this piece. We're going to use it so we can hang the back of the clock.